Hi, in this video we'll be solving question 55 of STAT 3309 final review, and the question says if the correlation coefficient between two variables is determined to be negative zero point 0.8. This is the correlation coefficient, which is negative zero point 0.8. Which of the following is known to be true? Okay, so let's just plot it and see how does it look when we are given that our correlation is negative zero point 0.8. Whenever our correlation is negative, our line would be falling like this, and these would be our data points. So what does this really say is as one variable increases, if my x values are, let's suppose, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and similarly my y values are 1 2 3 4 5, so as x value increases, our y value decrease. So if you see here, when x is 1, my y is 5, and when x is 4, my y is 3. So as x value increases, my y values decrease. So that's when our correlation is zero point 0.8. So let's see when it is positive. When we say our correlation is positive zero point 0.8, this is negative zero point 0.8, it would be in this way, and the points would be like this. So as x value increases, my y also increase. So that's about the positive correlation, and this is how our graph looks during our negative correlation. So since we have a negative value, that is negative zero point 0.8, it says as one variable increase, the other variable decrease. So let's look at the options here. So the scatter diagram for the two variables will be upward sloping from left to right. So that's not the case, right? Because what we really have to see is something like this. But this one says that the scatter diagram of two variables will be upward, which is this, upward from left to right. This would be the case for positive correlation. Second option, an increase in one of the variable will cause the other variable to decrease by 80%. We really don't know if the other variable is decreasing by 80%. We just know as one variable increases, the other variable will decline. So option D is also wrong. Let's look at option C. Option C says that there is a fairly strong negative linear relationship between the two variables. That's true. That's what it is seen, a negative relationship. That is, as one variable increases, the other decreases. That's called a negative relationship. If both the variables increase or decrease at the same time, that's called a positive relationship. So this one seems to be a correct answer, but let's look at the other option also, which says there's a positive relationship, which is wrong directly. So our final answer is option C, which says there is a negative linear relationship between the two variables. Also, if you look at the term here, it says it is a strong negative linear relationship. Let's say, for example, we have a correlation value of negative zero point 0.2. Even this one says that we have a negative relationship. But if you look at the curve, if you look at the plot for this, which should be something like this, which is similar to this one right here, since it is the magnitude right here is very low, our data points will be scattered. It's not a strong relationship, it's a weak relationship. It is a weak negative relationship. Here in this case, it is a strong positive relationship. So always our correlation values ranges from -1 to +1. The closer it is to modulus of 1, the stronger it is the stronger is the relation. Okay, since point 0.8 is more closer to 1, the stronger is it, the stronger the relationship is. So our final answer is there is a fairly strong negative linear relationship between two variables.